yearly balitang-balita yung bayan ng Kalampit. Pero hindi kami... Sorry.
Why does it make you sad to talk about it?
Para kasi nababaliwala kami.
You feel neglected by the government?
So much.
Aside from incomplete and substandard structures, further audits have shown that hundreds of projects across the country marked as completed on paper were never even started.
Dismaya kasi po, ang laki naman pala ng pondo, bakit hindi nagawa ito ng maayos? Saka bakit kami yung naiwan?
Noong panahon po ng mga malilit kami, parang 3 to 5 days lang yung baha in a year. Sumunod na mga dekada na taon, nagkaroon na ng may 1 month na baha. Ayun ang kasakalaunan, dire-diretso nang hindi po napakinabangan yung likodan namin. Kaya po binilang ko na rin po sila ng life vest dahil napakadelikado po.
Well, corruption is actually the one eroding the economy, but from within. Because a peso that is misused does not translate to productivity in education, in health, in infrastructure, and it also erodes public trust, which is very important for our investment sector.
Siguro kung yung mga lahat ng tao dito, ma'am, kung tatanungin mo kung gusto ba lumipat, siguro sasabihin, yes eh. Ang tanong lang, may pera ba na panlipat?